What is going on, YouTube? Avery here for another episode of Watkins Homesteading. What up, Bang? Today, guys, we are going to be building a Cinderblock smoker. Maya and I like to host people, and later this summer, we're planning on having a big old pig roast. So I'm gonna get a Cinderblock smoker ready for you guys today and kind of walk you through the steps. This is gonna be a part-by-part video, so you might be seeing me wearing different outfits because I'm not gonna get it all accomplished today, but definitely just wanna bring you guys a little bit of just the start of it, show you where we're at, and obviously the finished product and everything I used will be below in the description. So hey, hope everything is going well where you guys are. I'm gonna keep messing around with this big boy here and get to work. You guys have a good day. Take care. See you soon. Come on. What? So here with the actual smoker, guys, I'm just using standard cinder blocks. As you can see, I've offset the cinder blocks. That way it helps keep them leveled and keep them in place. This area in front of the smoker, I've had to grab some extra dirt to bring the level up. As you can see in my backyard, it's a steady decline all the way down to where we currently are. So I've had to bring in some fill dirt to level out the actual area where the smoker will be. I'm going to do a standard 3x5 smoker. It'll be plenty enough for a whole hog, brisket, chickens, whatever you want to do. But from here on out, you guys are going to kind of see the rest of the steps necessary to complete the job and finish your smoker. So temperature control is a very important factor when smoking food. As you can see with this cinder block here, I filled it all the way to the top with dirt, and I'm going to do that with all of the cinder blocks with their tops exposed. When I fill it with dirt, it's going to help insulate the smoker itself and help keep the fire in the smoker at a specific temperature. So if you're looking to do anywhere between 180 and 250, filling all the blocks with this filled dirt clay will really help you as a cooker keep your smoker at the desired temperature and level that you want.